Hi there, Sir EJ here. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing app similar to FaceTime and Zoom. Before joining a video meeting, please make sure that the account that is signed in is the one given by the school. To get to Google Meet, simply go to Google Classroom, then click the designated classroom. A few minutes before your scheduled class, click on the Meet link located on the banner. Please note that you will not be able to create the Meet room. It must be the teacher that has to open it first before all pupils may join the Meet room. If you will try to click the Meet link in the classroom, this will show on the new tab. If you will try to enter the Meet link using your personal account, you will encounter a pop-up that will ask for the class code. The class code will not be given to personal accounts for safety reasons. Always make sure that the account that is being used is your school G Suite account. If the teacher has created the Meet room and you have clicked the Meet link, you will be redirected to the Google Meet tab for this classroom. On the new tab, you will see on your screen a preview of your webcam. You can see the people that are in the room. You have the ability to turn off the video and mute the microphone. You can also see the meeting nickname. Down below, you can see the Join Now button and Present button. Usually, the teachers will be the one to present to the class. Click on the Join Now button to join the class. After joining the class, you will be able to see all your classmates and teachers who are inside the class. Now, I'll be discussing to you the parts of what you will see inside the class. At the top, there is a button on where you will have the option to see all the participants in list view. There's also the button to chat to everyone in the class. Now there's the time, and you can even see yourself on the right side of the screen. Also, there's a button to turn on auto captions here. Auto caption is a feature on Google Meet that adds captions or subtitles to the class. The auto caption only responds to English words. Hello, so this is a test for the auto captions. Now you can see at the bottom, everything that I'm saying in English, there is a subtitle. So if you try to speak Tagalog, for example, kumusta kayo? There is no subtitle, or there will be, but it will be inaccurate. The Present button beside the auto caption allows you to present your screen. Usually, the teachers will be the one to present her slides to the class. Still, it is available for everyone in the class for presentations and reports. You will also see the three dots on the right side of the screen. If you click on it, you will see a variety of options to change on the Meet. You can change the layout, make the Meet into full screen. You can also turn on captions here. There's also the settings option that will have the option to customize or change the camera and microphone. You also have the option to use your phone for audio. If you experience problems with your microphone, it may be that the settings are not updated. So make sure to customize the microphone and camera options as a troubleshooter. Next is the option to turn on and turn off the microphone and camera without going to settings. Make sure that the microphone is muted while the teacher is discussing to avoid distracting the class. You may unmute once called. Next is the End Call button that is self-explanatory. You will leave the video class session if you click on it. Please note that synchronous or live class sessions will be recorded and shared in the Google Classroom. This is very useful to those who lost their internet suddenly or who were not able to join the scheduled session. Well, that's about it for Google Meet. Feel free to explore Google on your own or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from us. Thank you and have an awesome day.